Hi, I'm Ron Katz and I'm with Denver Screen Print and Embroidery. Today we're going to show you a demonstration of water-based ink printing onto t-shirts. Many people think that water-based printing is the latest and greatest eco-friendly way to print apparel, but the technique is actually older than you might think. Currently, most printers use a petroleum-based ink called Plastisol. Our water-based process produces a much finer product, one that feels better, the image won't crack over time, and yes, it's better for our environment. Let's go to our production department and take a look at the process. The design we're going to print today is a 5-color logo from Sharks Ink. They're a world-renowned lithographer and monotype printer, and have chosen our company to print their shirts. Each color is assigned its own screen, and here Matt is loading the screens and will register each one so that the design is exactly in the right position. Registration has got to be dead on so the image prints exact and perfectly. Next, we mix the colors. We find it best to mix our own colors rather than to use pre-mixed inks. We want the right quantity as well as the highest quality for each job. Pigments and base are measured to the 1/100th of a gram. Once all the inks are prepared, we load them into their specific screen. As I mentioned, each screen is a stencil of the color in the particular design. Next, we'll load a few shirts for test prints just to make sure we're in perfect registration. And now we're ready to print. As you can see, we're printing this job on one of our M&R automatic presses. Very fine presses made in Chicago, Illinois. We can control the squeegee speed and pressure, and although this job will run slowly, these presses can be lightning fast and accurate for large runs. Notice how dull the print looks here. This is because we're basically printing onto a shirt with only pigments and water, so the image before going into the dryer is nearly translucent. Our dryer runs at a slow speed at 350 degrees. The water is evaporated from the print, and now the dried ink is infused into the fibers of each shirt. This is the reason why water-based ink prints are so soft to the touch, and Plastisol inks feel more like rubber and harder and crack after time. As you can see, once the shirts have gone through the dryer and the inks discharged into the fabric, we end up with a beautiful and soft product. Feel free to call us. Our phone number is listed here, or come to our website and see what we're about. Thanks for listening and watching today.